everyone. Welcome to English with Victory. I trust that you have been having an amazing time. Today, I want to talk to you about a very important sound that we often miss to the times interchange it with something else. But today, we'll gain knowledge about it and have great understanding. So, the next time you're speaking to an individual or to a large audience, you would do better. Stay with me. The sound is a short vowel. I take that again. It is a short vowel, a pure vowel. And it is used often in words with the letter O and the letter U. Sometimes with the letter OO. For example, Paul, Paul, P-U-L-L, Paul. Posh, Posh, P-U-S-H. How about cook, cook? I know you're used to saying cook, but the word is cook. I love to cook, and I actually cook great meals. Foot, foot, F-O-O-T, foot. What about bush, bush? Africans love to eat bushmeat. I'm sure you do too. Bush, bush, bush. Should, should. I'm hungry. Should I eat some bananas first, or should I prepare a meal? Should, could, could. C-O-U-L-D, C-O-U-L-D, could, could. I could run away. Would, would, W-O-U-L-D, would, would. Fall, F-U-L-L, fall, fall. This land is full of love. Full, full. Good, good. My mom's a good cook. Good, good, good. Look, 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 look at me. That's exactly what you're doing, right? Look, look. The more you see, the more you learn. Look, all right? There are so many words that you can, check your dictionaries for and begin to learn how they should be said. If there's any word you find difficult to pronounce, or perhaps a particular sound or topic that you would like me to talk about, you can leave it in the comments and I would be right there to see it. You can also leave a comment to tell if you enjoyed this episode or if there's something you expected or you want me to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And please click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you can see it. Get your family and friends. There's a lot to learn. And remember, how you say it is more important than your accent. Have a lovely day.